Are you searching through heavy hymn books, flipping pages just to find hymn 247? That should not interrupt the worship experience. Introducing Methodist and Jump app, bringing Methodist worship into one seamless digital experience. Find every Fante hymn, every English hymn, and the complete Christian Asteroid and Jump collection, clearly organized and simple to navigate. Listen, sing along, and learn hymns with ease. Access everything needed for full Methodist worship: canticles, creeds, Holy Communion resources, and the complete order of service, available in English and local liturgy. Follow the lectionary plan for daily spiritual guidance. And guess what? You can stay engaged beyond Sundays. Save your favorite hymns, explore the verse of the week, and grow through interactive hymn and Bible puzzles. Search quickly and worship without interruption. Locate hymns by numbers, alphabetically, or by stanzas, exactly when you need them. Download the Methodist and Jump app today on Google Play Store or the App Store and support the ministry through in-app donation to extend this experience to more congregations. Methodist and Jump, worship made seamless.